In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key and secret at Kucoin. This process is essential if you're looking to connect third-party applications or develop tools that interact with your Kucoin account. We'll make it as straightforward as possible, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the Kucoin website. You can do this by opening your web browser and visiting Kucoin.com. It's always a good idea to ensure you're on the correct and secure website to protect your account and personal information. Once you're there, we need to log into the platform. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have those handy, your email and password. Moreover, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need your device to complete the login. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Kucoin homepage. This is the heart of the platform, where you can see an overview of markets, trading pairs, and your account's current status. From here, it's important to navigate safely to the next step. Look for your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon brings up a drop-down menu, and from this menu, you should select Account. After entering your account section, you'll see several options aimed at managing your profile and account functionality. What we're interested in here is API management. This is a critical area for developers and tech-savvy users who need to integrate Kucoin's data and functionalities into their applications. Click on API Management, and you'll be on your way to creating your new API credentials. Now, on the API Management page, you'll have the option to create a new API. Look for a button labeled Create API and give it a click. This will guide you through the setup process for your API key and secret. During this phase, you may be asked to enter details like the API name and API passphrase. Be sure to choose a strong passphrase that you'll remember, but that isn't easy for others to guess. Once these details are submitted, Kucoin will generate an API key and a secret for you. Keep in mind, the API secret will only be shown once. It's crucial to save it securely. Many users choose to store it in a password manager for safekeeping. With your API key and secret in hand, you're all set to connect your Kucoin account to external applications or tools, opening up a world of new possibilities for your cryptocurrency activities. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now know how to locate your API key and secret on Kucoin. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.